So I just wanted to post the tiniest update here. We sharpened the cheap DBK knife, made it kind of a convex bevel, kind of actually a lot like the original one. It's not my preference, but this was just the easiest way to start with. So just wanted to show you the difference. So this is the original one. So definitely, you know, the same. If we want to do some shaving, there's shaving for you. And the last test is kind of how is it at cutting wood. So you can see it's perfectly functional edge now. Took about half an hour to do on Waterstones. You could definitely do a better job, but I think this is sufficient to start with. Like I said previously, this is a great knife to learn to sharpen on, because I think it will definitely get dull because it's just plain relatively simple carbon steel, and perfect opportunity to learn to sharpen.